Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. I would like to show you a Laravel extension I have developed. Yes, I I I just published it yesterday, and I want to show you how powerful it can help you in developing quickly. Okay, so LaraPurse is a powerful VS Code extension that automates the creation of Laravel models, controllers, and then your blades. Okay, so it's just simple. So let's first install it and then see how powerful it works. Okay, let's see how. Okay, it's installed. So after installing, you will see this icon appear on your activity bar. Okay, this powerful icon. So you can either just search it using the Control Shift P. Okay, or just click the search top here, then go to show and run commands. So click it and then you search for LaraPurse. Okay, because I've used it before, that's why it's just appearing here. But when you install the extension and you come and you search here, you just have it up here. Okay, or you can just come back, click the icon here. When you click the icon here, then you click the top here, LaraPurse. So either use here or use the search button to get it. Whichever way you want it, you get it. Okay, so that's all. It has a nice interface for you, just a very simple, nice interface. So when working, it's very easier for you to just be clicking and then coming to make your work speed and efficiency. Okay, so let's see. So, but first you need to install Laravel projects. Okay, because when you try to install it, you get a notification that you don't have a project. Okay, there's no project. So let's say example, I'm creating a user controller. When I click generate, see it tells me no workspace folder found. So we need to create a folder. Okay, or we need to create a Laravel project for us to be able to use this extension effectively. Okay, so I'll create let me see, okay, let me just take folder, Laravel. Okay, let me just drop it in any of the folders and then just use it there. Okay, so it's folder, right? Okay, so we are going to create our project and then use the extension, and let's see how effectively it will help us. Okay, so I have a new, I'll say demo. Yeah, demo. Use sorry, ZE brace blade. No. So okay, I think I just have to pause and then come back to continue for the video to be very, very short for us. Okay, or let's just leave it. Okay, let's just leave it and then wait for it. Okay, so MySQL No, 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 no. I don't want to run migration now. Let's just get into the code first. We'll come back to that later. Sorry, sorry. Since my network is not all that stable today, let's go through. But you know, when you have it like this, okay, and then you go into the folder, running the extension sometimes doesn't work. So I will advise that you make sure you are in the actual project folder. Okay, don't let it look like this. Okay, so I'll show you that after everything is set, then you will be able to understand perfectly. Okay. Okay. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just close the folder and then open it and open the project directly so that we would be in the roots directory. Okay, so my document Laravel, the demo. So we are here. Okay, so now we would like to explore the extension and then see how effectively it will help us in building our project quickly. Okay, so we don't take our time trying to create new controllers, trying to create models, trying to create blades for them. See, we can just have just a single run and then we just jump into it and then start working on our codes without wasting much time. Okay, so okay, so let's start. Let's check our models, our project, and see if everything is okay. So okay, so this is our view. These are all files in the view. Okay, the routes, the web page. These are all what we have here. Now let's check our controllers. Okay, so these are all we have in our controllers. So now let's just use the extension to make our work very quick and fast. So now let's see. I'm going to start working and then I have some menus I need to create, and I create models and I create controllers for. So I click the extension here, click Lara create. So now let's see, I want to have a member controller. So I have to just comma events, let's say groups, let's say sorry, contributions. Okay, so let's say these are my menus. So now I will have an option here whether you want whether you want the extension to add the models, the migration files, and the blades. So you can either select any of them or just go ahead with with creating only the controllers without the other options. So now let us create the controllers, the models, the migration files, and then the blades all at a go. So now just click here and then boom. So now it will open a folder. It will ask me to select a path where I would like the blades to be saved. Okay, so I'll go back to my projects, resource, view. Okay, so now I want my projects, the blades to be saved in a folder. So let's say user. So I'll just select the user folder and then let's go back. Select the user folder and then click select blade template directory. Select it and then boom, I'm done. Just check, everything is done. When I go to the controllers, wow, you can see that contribution controller, events controller, group controller, member controller, everything is just there. And then seriously, it adds everything. It adds the resources for you, so there's no need to just to waste time to be writing them again. Just jump through it and then start entering the codes, start your developing. Okay, so now let's check our model. Everything is already there for us. Has created the model also. Okay, so now let's check our resource also, the view, the blades. Wow, just look at that. Contributions, it has create, edit, and then the index, and then the show. So whichever way, okay, which other blade or which blade you want, you can either rename the blade to what you want or continue with the same names there. Okay, and then make sure when you change the name here, make sure you change the name also in the controller for it to work perfectly for you. Okay, and then when you come to the route, okay, the web, wow, everything is here for us. Just see, everything is here for us. So the resource so instead of you having edit, update, destroy, the resource represents everything. Okay, the resource represents everything, and it adds here for us. It adds the controller for us here. So there's no need for us to come manually to be updating them again. Everything is done in the set for us. This is how powerful this extension is. The extension is powerful. No, it's just it makes your work very simple and then easier. Okay, you can just come and then create. Let's say I want to create only, sorry, forgotten the migration files. Yes, see, it has created all the migration files for us, all the migration files, so we don't need to come and then be creating them again. Okay, so we can just come here, jump into it, and then start editing it. Okay, whatever we want it to be in the migration file or the database. Okay, everything we want to be in the database, we can just come here and then start editing it. Okay, so this makes our work very easier for us, very easier for us. We have everything that we need. Okay, it makes it very easier for us. Okay, so I can choose to just create a, let's say a controller, let's say happy. That's all, without adding the rest. And then when I generate, when you check, you can see that it has generated the happy controller for us, and then has not added the migration file, has not added any blades to it for us, but and it has not added the models. Okay, so you can just use it to create multiple controllers without having any issue. Okay, so Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and I believe using LaraPurse will make your work very easier and simpler for you. This is the newer version, and I hope that as times goes on, mm, I might be updating it, or will just leave it where it is, depending on how Laravel grows. And I hope that, and I pray and hope that Laravel will keep growing. Thank you very much, and I appreciate you for using the extension. Thank you very much. Bye. See you next time.